How to download ChatGPT 4 in PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. Now search for ChatGPT 4. Now click on this very first link, GPT-4 OpenAI. After you land on this page, you have to click on this option of Try on ChatGPT Plus. After you land to this page, now you have to tap on three dots given at the top right corner. From here, select the option of More Tools. Now head towards the option of Create Shortcut. Now here you can give a name. You can just remove the old one and give a name. Here I'm gonna give it as ChatGPT 4. Now tap over here on this small square box, open as window and then click on Create. Now you can just close all of these apps and go to your home screen. Now in your home screen, you will find the app ChatGPT 4. You can easily open this app and use it. This is how you can download ChatGPT 4 in PC. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.